turn up, please?
The National Weather Service in Shreveport has issued a tornado warning for East Central Grant Parish in North Central Louisiana, West Central Waxhaw Parish in North Central Louisiana, until 9 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 8:23 a.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located 9 miles north of Timber Trail, or 14 miles north of Pineville, moving northeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This tornadic thunderstorm will remain over mainly rural areas of East Central Grant and West Central Waxhaw parishes, including the following locations: Pollock, Fishville, Bentley, and Dry Pro. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.